Just my luck. On I-4. Tire went out. So, gotta fix this now. And there's a guy right there. But, this sucks. Well, this is unfortunate, guys. As you guys saw, look at this. I couldn't even get this spike out. This was the hardest thing. It's like if it was glued or super glued on. But we had to roll around in the spare tire. And we still got looks. We still broke necks. But tire actually popped on me. You guys want to see it? I have a whole bunch of crap in here. Tire wouldn't fit, blah, blah, blah. I was gonna use that to jack up the car because I don't have like a jack or whatever. But then this guy came with the truck that you guys saw and helped me out. But look at the tire. Like, tell me, how the hell does this happen? Like, it just gave out like completely. Like, what? And look, the tread is still good. Like, it's a brand new tire. Well, you guys saw when I put it on, when I got my wheels. Hopefully these should be under warranty, so I'm gonna just go check it out. I'm gonna go to where I got the wheels and the tires. So this side is good, but the inside, and it's not even, you can't blame it on the car, or you can't blame it on the alignment either, because this one's good. This one's getting flat sometimes as well, so it might just be the tire, because this one, so I gotta be putting air every like couple of days. Like, those are good, but this one I gotta be putting air every couple of days because this one starts going flat. I guess that one now has problems, so I think it's just these two. So I'm gonna see if I get them both changed under warranty or something. I don't know. I haven't had them for that long, so hopefully it'll work. Well, I mean, I was gonna put on my brakes, the big brakes, whatever, and I was gonna show you guys the color, but unfortunately we can't do that either. I mean, she's still sitting pretty. We're gonna see you guys see the color of the brakes. But yeah, I was gonna put them on, but I can't do it because the brakes won't fit with those. But yeah, it's pretty sketchy, honestly. Like, we were going probably like 65, 70, and you can feel the whole car started shaking, and the steering wheel started shaking, and everything started shaking. And out of nowhere, the tail just gave out, went left, went right, and the car started swirling. But you know, we weren't going that fast, so we could control it, whatever. And I just put my hazard on and pulled over. And luckily, the guy came and saved the day when he changed that. If not, I would have been there for like a long ass time trying to change the tire. But yeah, won't be able to put the brakes on, guys. I'm so sorry. I was gonna do that, get the video out already. I'm super excited, waiting to put it on, but we won't be able to. What is happening? What's going on, guys? As you saw, we got a flat tire. Right now we are going to get, well, we're going to go try and get a replacement tire, see if we can do it under warranty. We haven't had the tire for that long, so there should be some type of warranty or whatever, you know, and I don't want to be riding on my spare as I am right now. So right now we're going to Speed Zone to see what they can do about the tire, if the warranty or whatever. Worst case scenario, if, you know, can't do anything, can't get a tire or whatever, I can just put my stock wheels back on and just ride on that until I can get another one. Hopefully we can get a tire or whatever, and we don't have to pay too much, or hopefully pay nothing at all. It bothers me that the car is on the spare tire, but what can we do? Oh, look at that Lamborghini. I think my favorite part of coming through here is like in these little stores when there's no car parked, you can actually see your car through the window, like the reflection of it. This is awesome, seeing your car roll by. Look, like right here. Nah, it's too far. Bronco, the new Bronco, they're alright. I don't really like them. I thought it was gonna be bigger, bulkier, like an off-road kind of vehicle, but there's just like some small Jeep look-alike thing. Look, window. Yeah, I think the worst part is these little, this. You go up, and you go down. Oh, I haven't showed you guys. So, let's see. We have something in this box that's for the car. I got 2 boxes. So there's something in there that I haven't showed you. So I got 2 things. I got one, that's the one in the back seat, which we got it just in case we're gonna install it. We do need some power tools to install it because my hands are not strong enough to take the bolt to install that. And then we got another box, but we gotta wait for that. That's just me saying that we have a lot more. Wait, oh damn, I missed my exit. Oh, that sucks. I should have taken through there. Great. It's okay, we'll just keep going this way. Whatever, right? Is it that way? Michigan Avenue, Michigan Avenue, Michigan Avenue. Yeah, it was that way. All right, we gotta go this way. I still haven't shown you guys the brake color. Should I show you? I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of the brake colors. I don't know how good you guys can tell, but this color so far is looking beautiful. All right, we made it. Check this out. They got a Gloria over there. They got this Beamer. It's like an M4 or something like that. And we got a backup camera that we gotta pay attention to. I think we're good here. So yeah, here's where we are. We're at speed zone right now. Ugly ass thing, man. Look at that. But let's see what we can do. They got dope things here.
Because usually you have to cut the old ones and the wiring shit is different.
Matches the wheel. Let's get that for the car.
Yeah. I don't have a full communicator.
These are all customer orders.
That's not for me.
That's what's up.
You want 85?
Alright guys, so we just left right now. But what they said is there might be a warranty, but we have to actually, he took a picture of the tire, he has to send it out, see if they approve it. If they approve it, okay, cool, we got a new one. If not, then pretty much I'm screwed. I have to get a whole new tire. So, and I don't know, bro. And it takes 3 days. It takes 3 days to get here, but we won't be here in 3 days. This is all a big mess. This ruined everything. I was supposed to put on the big brakes. I was supposed to be chilling, having fun with my big brakes, looking good, but we can't because they won't fit the stock wheels. I mean the stock wheels or the spare wheels. Check these out. These are so cool. If I had a minivan, I would lower my minivan, put some wheels, and that big thing in the front, on top. So guys, I forgot to mention this to you. I am thinking about doing a giveaway once we reach 2,000 subscribers. I've been thinking about this for a while, and I keep forgetting to tell you guys, but so good, and we're still on the spare. Windows up. Anyways, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for you guys. You know, you guys are awesome for supporting me, for sharing the videos, liking, commenting, everything. So I want to give back to you guys. I have several options that I've been thinking about. Ooh, I so want one of these, like as my first really fast car. Other than the GTR, I would like to have a C7 or a C8. More exhaust. Slowly. Ooh, that is a nice Altima. Look at that. Alright, we gotta put it up. once we reach 2,000 subscribers, that's when we're gonna do it. So yeah, the rear bumper corners, a rear diffuser, maybe some lights. Oh, there's the Ultima again. I think it's pretty nice. Oh, abracadabra. Dang, I could use some ice cream right now. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, rolling our way downtown, looking ugly on the spare tire. Everyone looks at me. Da-na-na-na-na. They all have something to see. Da-na-na-na-na. Ugly Maxima away. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just bored. So let me know what you guys think. You know, once we hit 2,000 subscribers, we will be doing the giveaway. It should probably be one of those items. I'm not exactly sure which one. Since you guys, you know, watch my videos, share, comment, like, you know, you guys are giving me feedback, and you're awesome. You're an awesome part of the family. So I want to give back to you guys to show my love and my respect towards you, towards everyone that have actually pretty much been a part of the channel for you know, for this long. Ooh, Supra. Oh, did I say a C7? I meant that. I would like to have that as I don't know, I am tripping. Let me know in the comments down below, or would you like a Supra as a giveaway? Shoot, nah, if I try to give you guys a Supra, then that means I should already have a Supra, and that's not a Supra logo or a Toyota logo, whatever. Perfect stock ones. These are our stocks. We're gonna put them in. This is why you always save your stock wheels, guys, in cases like this. So let's jack up the other one. Now this is where we're at. This side is good, and once we come to this side, she still looks good. It's not bad. 19-inch wheels. It's pretty good. So we're running on these. We still got the same lug nuts. I didn't put the spikes on because it's gonna look weird. Just too bad I couldn't put the big brakes on. So I know you guys are waiting on that. Hopefully I can get to that when my wheel gets back, or when we get it in, so we can change it, and then we'll do the all 4 brakes. I know that's what you guys were waiting for. Should I give you a sneak peek? Should I give you a sneak peek? That's all you're getting. Wait. That's all you're getting. But alright guys, remember, like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, what you guys think of the giveaway, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.